Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a hot diggity dog right here. Check out the look of this car. 68 GTO, PHS, Pontiac Historical Service documented, real GTO, real red car, but just look at it. The stance, the red, the spoiler, the hood tack, and them sparkling Cragars wheels. Awesome. It's got a 400, air conditioned, tilt, Hurst dual gate shifter. Got lots going on for it. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can take your time and study over 100 pictures, read all the information, and that's where you find price tags on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and click on that bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Southern car, like North Carolina area. Underneath looks to be really solid. The floors, the braces all look really good to me. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with polished stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. The tailpipes are tucked up underneath there and they poke out there at the end. Sounds great. You'll hear it at the end of the video. Drum brakes all around. That's what they had in 68. Working great. The e-brake assembly looks like it's new. Someone probably needed that to pass inspection or something, so that's new. The 4 shocks look new. The fuel system doesn't look brand new, but it has been replaced. The tank, the straps, that's recent, within the last few years, I would say. You look up at the motor, it's very fresh. There's about 2,000 miles on the rebuild, but looking up at it, it's clean. Nicely painted still. Has the original Turbo 400 automatic. Has the tag riveted to the side, dated 1968. The 10-bolt rear end has new U-joints on the drive shaft. The rear end, the cover was obviously off, painted or replaced, and the bolts are clean. So fluid's been changed. I don't know what else they did in there, but someone's been in the rear end recently. As far as the ball joints and that sort of stuff, none of it looks brand new, appears to be in good shape. So underneath this car is very respectable. Now, the outside of the car, again, this is one of them striking cars. If you're the type that wants perfection and you're more interested in sitting in your garage and polishing every inch of it, this may not be for you. But if you want to cruise down the road and one hot-looking car and get compliments and still go to car shows, this is perfect for you. And the only reason I'm saying that is there's minor imperfections. Don't take it the wrong way. The car is amazing. But the looks, it's got the looks. I'm telling you, this will sell fast. I did look down both sides of the car. Straight. I mean, just really nice, smooth, straight sides. The hood and the trunk as well. Has the Judge spoiler someone put on there. The trunk lid, the red paint is like a red mirror. The emblems are new. The GTO and has the Hurst emblem because it has a dual gate. The bumper is gleaming chrome, beautiful chrome. Taillights look like they're new. The bumper or trunk lid, no bubbles back here. This is all excellent. So that's covered. That's all real nice. The Pontiac arrowhead here, they look like they're new. I always thought that was a cool touch. Rear glass is original. There's nothing wrong with it. There's light scratches. The stainless molding, again, it's original. Nothing wrong with it, but none of this stuff is new. Actually, these corners are new, and I think this might be new. The vinyl top's been replaced. It's soft, excellent, no bumps, no rust underneath it. The windshield's really nice. There's a hairline scratch right there. It does have a hood tachometer. They did open the scoops. Now the hood has a few flaws. Minor imperfections if you look for them. Little dimples or imperfections in the paint. A few of them spread around the hood. The rubber bumpers, these are rubber. They flex, they all crack. So this has some cracks in the paint. You know, it looks like hairlines. The bumper itself is in excellent shape, not damaged. It fits the car real well, but there is some cracking in the paint on the front bumper. So this fender is real slick. New emblem. I already went around the car, felt and looked down here. There's no bubbling along the bottom. The vent window frame, the chrome, little freckling, but no pits. Door handles have been replaced. Has metal door edge guards. That's what it came with, and that's what's on there. Not the cheap plastic glue on, but actual metal door edge guards. So yeah, both sides of the car are real straight and shiny. The weather strips have been replaced. Door jambs are nice. Bottom of the door got real nice clean edge. The mirror looks like it's new. You know, little freckles on this side too. The rubber is still soft here. The roof rubber has been replaced. The wheels, I think they make the car. 15-inch, they're nice and wide, got the spinners, got some meaty BF Goodrich tires on there. Just the size, the stance makes the car. It's like the cherry on top, it's the cherry on the bottom. So now you've seen the outside, let's open it up and take you a tour inside the car. All right, let's pop this trunk and see what we got here. Well, we've got a Rally 2 wheel, the GTO wheel. They did buy a new BF Goodrich tire. Probably when they bought the others, they put a new tire on this rim. Looks like a new reproduction jack assembly. You know what's cool about a new spare tire is you smell it. It smells good. You ever have a car that has some odor in it, you throw new tires in there and it'll take the smell away. It looks like the wiring might be new. Maybe not the whole thing, but it looks in real good shape. Trunk is rock solid, spatter painted real nice. Got a new rubber mat. The red paint is real nice. It's got a new latch. There are drips inside this edge you don't see when the trunk is closed, but in the jamb there are some drips. New weather strip. So you got a nice clean trunk compartment that is also complete. Checking out them Cragars wheels. Okay, so the door panels have been replaced and the armrests too. They appear to fit real nicely. You got this beautiful big deluxe steering wheel with the chrome spokes, and it's on a tilt column. The instrument bezel, that's this plastic panel, has been replaced. So you see all the new chrome and new wood grain. It's got the factory speedometer. It does have a clock here, which is only accurate twice a day right now. Heater controls, AM radio, everything looks good. It's an air-conditioned car, so you do have these vents. The dash must have had some cracks in it. This is a glue-on plastic dash cover, and there is a little warp right there. You might be able to heat that up or do something about it, but it is a cap, and there's a little warp right there. Now down on the floor, we've got new black carpet that seems to fit nice. The Pontiac reproduction mats, complete set of GM seat belts front and back. And in between the bucket seats here, we got the Hurst dual gate shifter, or his and hers, sometimes people call it. You open up this sliding door over here on this side, which I can't open right now. We'll have to look at that. But you can put the shifter over here and it's slotted so you can't shift into the wrong gear. The cushions feel like they've been replaced. The upholstery is new front and back. Seat belts in back, like I said. The side panels are in really nice shape. Headliner and visors have been redone. Dome light works. And I did want to point out on the edge here, there's a nick in the panel right there. And I bet as soon as no one's looking, this little dual gate shifter will probably pop right open for me. If you buy the car, remind the salesman to check and make sure that got fixed, because that's a cool feature on a car, and it's something simple. You got a wow factor here in the motor compartment because they've decked it out with a lot of chrome. The radiator cover, the alternator, valve covers, breather, air cleaner, the cap on the master cylinder. So the motor has about 2,500 miles on it, we're told, since it's rebuilt, and that's believable because it runs real nice. It looks fresh. It's got a little hotter cam. It has headers, has HEI ignition. Also has this big, tall Edelbrock intake. At one time, gas must have been leaking down the intake. Some carb cleaner takes that right off. I wish my guys would have known that. But it's got a big dual feed Holley carb with electric choke. We also have factory air conditioning. Compressor's been replaced at some time. They've updated it to 134 Freon. So it's been serviced. The inner fenders are gloss black. It does feature power steering and power brakes. It has a new clutch fan. It has a shroud. Under the hood is gloss black. So you got a nice motor compartment. So there you go. It's a very nice car throughout, not a perfect car throughout. And just for the record, as soon as we stopped filming a second ago, I went in there and guess what? That dual gate popped right open, and I just did it 5 or 6 times. It's fine. Someone holds a camera in your face, I guess things don't always work out the way you want them to. Door shuts nice. So there you have it. This has a wow factor. It has some sizzle. We all know that's what sells cars. So if you are interested, go to volocars.com because I just gave you my impression. Plenty of ways on there to reach out to the salesman. They'll help you the best they can. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you ask them. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance it. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, and I hope you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next video posted. Thanks for watching.